LG has unveiled a new model in its projector lineup ahead of CES 2018. The LG 4K UHD projector with model number HU80KA is the first such device by the company in the segment, but is unlike most of its competitors. The South Korean company claims that the new projector is almost half the size of its 4K rivals in the market, and is able to project a 150-inch display apart from supporting HDR video. While most 4K projectors currently in the market are heavy and expensive, LG has pitched the 4K UHD projector as an affordable yet premium device. In the new 4K UHD projector, LG claims the brightness reaches up to at 2,500 lumens. That makes it the brightest projector from the company until now. Apart from the 4K resolution, LG provides HDR video support with HDR10. LG says the HU80KA projector will work well regardless of where and how you put it in the room. The projector's portability and upright design have been attributed to the mirrorless L-shaped engine, which allows the projector to be positioned on the floor, mounted to the wall, or hung from the ceiling. The LG HU80KA projector can play media via a USB drive that also enables users to connect an external keyboard and mouse. When it comes to sound, LG has placed two 7-watt speakers in the projector, but it can be connected to external speakers or soundbars. Other audio output options include optical, HDMI, and Bluetooth. The LG 4K UHD projector runs WebOS, which means that most of the big streaming apps will be integrated out of the box. LG has not revealed the price and availability details regarding the HU80KA projector as of now. LG will put the whole 2018 projector series on display at the Consumer Electronics Show to be held in Las Vegas. LG will also showcase the latest version of its portable mini beam projector, model HU80KA, featuring WebOS 3.5 and Full HD resolution.